So we're going to start by looking at how to simplify the left-hand side to get to the right-hand side. So what I'm going to see here is focus on the derived identity, which is this one right here. So what we also know is that tan squared theta is the same as sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta. So what we're going to now do is replace that identity with its derived form, or what derives it. So this is going to be 1. Well, let's go ahead. The first thing I'd like to do is, just to make things simple, is to go ahead and simplify these right here. So what does that look like? So sine squared theta divided by tan squared theta is the same as sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta over cosine squared theta. So this is, we're now going to simplify this as sine squared theta multiplied by cosine squared theta divided by sine squared theta. So you can see that this is going to cross out and we're going to end up with cosine squared theta. So now we're going to now replace this expression with cosine squared theta. So we have 1 minus cosine squared theta equal to, and is equal to sine squared theta. And this is how we get to it. We know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equal to 1. So if you subtract cosine squared theta from both sides, you get sine squared theta on one side. So let's do that this way. Minus cosine squared theta. So sine squared theta equal to 1 minus cosine squared theta. And that's how you derive that.